This is the aftermath of brushing a husky. If you kind of notice a little far, the birds are now coming to clean up all the fur. This is the bravest one, the one who needs more of a home. It's called recycling. Now they're having bird fights. I can hear them over who gets the fur. Let's see who wins and comes back. Up. He's in the fence looking. Not sure you can see him. Oh, now he's on the ground thinking about it. Oh, flew away. They're all in the trees. They might not like that I'm sitting here. I shall move so my yard gets cleaned up.